Alright, let's tackle this Mitsubishi elevator repair. The hall call are completely dark. It's not a door lock problem. If the door locks were faulty, those hall call usually wouldn't go dark. It's not a light curtain problem either. Time to head to the machine room. What's the fault code saying? Checked the big fault code. Didn't tell us much specific. Checked the current small fault code. Code 852 A3E. So, A3E is our prime suspect causing the elevator cannot run. Next test, inspection mode run. This tells us where to focus the repair. If can runs fine in inspection mode. Problem is likely leveling sensors, slowdown switches. These faults allow inspection runs. If the car won't run in inspection mode. Problem is likely brakes, drive unit, power, or core movement systems. Pressed run in inspection. Car didn't budge. Dead. Problem is brake or drive system related. Hit the reset on the motherboard. Elevator came back to life. Called it from the motherboard, and it ran normally. But we know this is probably temporary. Looked it up. A3E is encoder Z phase signal abnormality. Classic Mitsubishi ghost fault. This specific code is super common on this model. It tends to pop back up every few days like clockwork. Option 1, fight the noise. Check all grounding cables in the control cabinet, super tight, clean connections. Add ferrite chokes. Snap them onto the encoder cable, right near the encoder and near the drive board end. This kills electrical interference messing with the Z pulse signal. Option 2, upgrade the DSP drive software. Make the drive less sensitive to this type of signal noise, or to handle Z phase glitches better. Alright techs, drop your fixes below.